Good evening, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing good. Good news for today is India has published the inflation data and it is at 5.88 percentage. Estimation was 6.40 and the October month it was 6.77 percentage. So it is very good the inflation data is, and it is below 6% the RBI goal after 10 months. So RBI has set a goal of 2% to 6% for the coming quarters. So it is within this. Our market is doing really very good now. And also the data is very much positive and it was interesting while making this data. So stay connected. Let's begin the open interest analysis. Will follow by FII. In option C, they have increased their calls today and they have reduced their put. So the put they were holding was 2.81 lakhs. Now they have unwinded 27,000 contracts. So still holding 2.54 lakh contract in put. So this is in naked buying now. So the net is in net buying. And in call they were holding 1,37,000 of call buying. Today they have increased 82,000 contract. So they have 2.20 lakhs call buying contract. Anyhow, the put is more, but see the way he has increased 82,000 contracts in call, it shows the positiveness in our market now. So they are positive in option now, and in future index they have increased 2% long and decreased 2% short. So they have 60% long and 40% short. And in stock future percentage, no changes, 51% long, 49% short, and they sold for 138 crores in cash market. So see slightly they are becoming positive now. In future index they are positive. These options are positive. This is neutral, and they are selling only for a minimum number in cash market. Client are the retailers in food. They were holding 3.42 lakhs contracts. Now they have unwinded 2.1 lakh contract when the market opened gap down. So they might have booked the loss, and some might have stayed till the end of the session and they have unwinded at the second half. So they might have booked some profit. So they holding 1.30 lakhs put writing contract now, and in call they were holding 22,000 call contract. So they have unwinded this in loss, and today they have made a fresh call writing of 1.21 lakh contracts. So now see, this is almost equal call writing and put writing. So this we can consider as a premium eating or a sideways market they tend to believe now. And in future index, no changes, 54% long, 46% short. Stock future percentage no changes, 84% long, a 16% short, and they sold for 287 crores in the cash market. So in future no index, this is sideways market and this is positive. So no directional view by the clients. Promoters input they were holding 13,000 of put. They have unwinded this in profit today in the morning and made a fresh put writing of 1.71 lakh contracts. So this shows the positiveness how they have become a heavy put writer today by 1.71 lakh contracts creating in put writing. And in call they were holding 1.61 lakh contracts in call writing. Today they have unwinded 62,000 contracts. This was in profit. So still holding 99,000 contracts in call writing. So more on put writing. This is positive. And in future index, what they did, they have unwinded longs and increased their puts by 6%. It means they have booked the loss on the call side, increase the short because they have booked the profit on a call here, call writing positions. So they tend to book the loss on this buying positions of longs because yesterday only the last trading day they have increased 3 percentage long, so they have unwinded 6 percentage of long. So minimum this can be a break even for them, this loss and this profit. And in stock future percentage, 66% long and 34% short they have, and they purchase for 291 crores in cash market. So view of promoters, see they are negative in future index, positive in options, and stock future also positive, cash market positive, hedging the position going long. DIA have purchased for 695 crores in the cash market. So the cash flow was 560 crores positive figures. PCR Nifty today was zero point 0.7. Bank Nifty today was 1.13. Nifty month end is at 1.29 and Bank Nifty is at 1.08. PCR is very much bullish only. Now let's begin the price action. We'll check for Nasdaq in 1 day time frame. See, they opened positive. They're trading with 19 point higher now. So they have a very good support level of 11,000. Dow looks more positive than Nasdaq now. So the US market will be very volatile today and tomorrow as well, because tomorrow the CPI data is going to publish. India VIX at 13.3, it is very comfortable. Let's check Nifty. So see Nifty, it has took the support of 18,354. Previously it has took the same support. Today also it has took the same support. Our market has recovered after that support. So see, this was that support and we have recovered. So Nifty is not that much positive while comparing to the Bank Nifty. We can only think of selling the Nifty on a higher side whenever we are getting on a good resistance like 18,600 and 18,800 and 18,900. Whenever we are getting good scalping, we can go for a sell on rise. And also we can buy at these levels 18,500, 18,400, 18,300. Every 100 points of level, we can keep a eye on it for a buy on dip. Anyhow, we are bullish only, but Nifty is not that bullish while comparing to Bank Nifty. If you want to go on a long side, you can trade on a Bank Nifty. If you want to short, you can short Nifty. Only for scalping purpose, not a positional. So see Bank Nifty how beautifully see it is moving higher. So see it has moved higher, it has make a base here, again it has rallied, it has make a base here, and again it has rally make small base. Again see rally base and very good rally it is trading now, and it shows the bullish trend. So we cannot short Bank Nifty now until the India VIX goes up, or there is any bad news in the global or a domestic market, then only we can think of shorting. But this is not a market to short. But good shorting we will be getting in Nifty. So the strategy should be simple: buy on dip and sell on rise. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you like my analysis. So please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.